All right, YouTube, Discord people, what's happening? This is East Wing with Chris, rapping at you once again, counting off things to be thankful for. What with Thanksgiving being around the corner, let's see. I don't have to work till Monday. My vacation just started. I'm chilling in all my Rick shit. Oh, what else? I copped some shit. First things first. Let's do this because I'm always busting out the Rick. Here we have a new designer for me. This here is some Balenciaga. Turns out this should. Yeah, god damn it! I decided to use a butter knife, and now all of a sudden they do a no bullshit job with the packing. So, little background here. I was saying that this was going to be No Cop November with the asterisk to No Cop being that if they get a good sale going, then I'm going to cop. And there were two things that I had my eye on. And in fact, this thing I'm unboxing right now is one of them. And both of these things I had in my cart numerous times. I was just about to pull the trigger and I backed off, and then it went on sale. And here we go. This is... Oh, look at this! How about this? It looks like they actually gave me the bag? Did they not dick me out of the bag this time? Or did... No, it's wrapped. Okay. Oh, that's right, because I think I had them gift wrap. One or both of these purchases. And this... Oh, they got layers. Oh, I got a box. Let me just get the plastic off of this, because this is a new designer for me. This here is Balenciaga, and this is an accessory. I need a new wallet, rather. Oh, I got a box, and I got a bag. Yes, because I have a feeling I ain't getting no Rick bag, and I really like this because a lot of the times this is what attracted me to this, is that you'd be like, oh, I want the Rick Owens Geo baskets, you know. I want the Rick Owens cotton T-shirt, and then this one they get right down to it. And they just give you the leather wallet by Balenciaga, and this is fantastic. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice, very nice. I got it on sale. I'm glad I waited. So that's one. Yeah, okay. I always like to sniff the one out. Two. I did something a bit more predictable, and I got more Rick Owens. This is a Rick Owens alpaca sweater that, like the Balenciaga wallet, I also had in my cart, ready to pull the trigger at least once. I may have even done it more than once. Boom. Oh, yeah. We got Barney's New York tape. Nice. We got, what do we got here? Make change. Yeah, man. This is, change your whole, so they want you to hashtag something, and they'll if you hashtag it, I guess they'll give money to a worthy cause, which is cool. So we have the gift card that I asked for. It says, "Some kitties is fluffy." That is true, and it's something that I like to say a lot. And now let's get down to it. Oh yeah. So this is a Rick Owens alpaca sweater. We got this wrapped. Now I got this extra large, and if you know anything about Rick Owens, you never know how that shit gonna fit. So, whoops, could fit like a bathrobe. If it does, this is going right the fuck back to Barney's, and it might even go back today. Oh man, this thing is wicked awesome. This thing, oh wow. The fabric is really cool. I don't think I've ever felt alpaca before. This is, I think it's 20-cent nylon, 80-cent alpaca. I'm just going to keep the tags on there just in case it turns out that I don't fit this, but I think we have a fit. I think we have a win here. Let me just, let me put this on. Oh, it's a wicked nice color, too. I needed to balance out my, oh, yeah, word, dude. Yeah, we got nothing to worry about. We're gonna back this up and actually take the Rick stuff off of this. Oh, actually, no harm taking the Rick stuff off of this because it's safety pinned on. And just leave the Barney's tag on in case this doesn't work. I think this is most certainly going to work and will also, I think, allow for some really sick layering. So we got us the Sisyphus alpaca sweater. Glad I did not cop the large because this is not like one of those clingy t-shirts. This is more of a sweatery sweater. And I'm starting to get to the point, this is also work. This is also something that I can wear to work. And I have a special talent for buying shit that cannot be worn to work. So that's why I mentioned that. It's kind of important. Oh, you can do your little drapey Rick thing with it, regardless. Yeah, whoa, nice. Wicked nice. Extra large is the perfect size for this. So let's layer. What is this layer good with? Oh, the jacket. Pop the jacket on this and see what's up. Hell yeah, dude. Yes. Oh yeah, dude. Pull this sumbitch down a bit, or like pull it down all the way, as I'm keep getting told by the people on the Discord. Yes, dude. And it's warm. And I can probably fit a second sweater. I can probably fit my wool Rick shirt under it. This is very nice. I'm wicked happy about this. And the color works great with these shorts, because I was kind of drowning in black a little bit. I just got black and white. I got one brown t-shirt and one forest green hoodie. So yeah, so I got this. I got my Balenciaga leather wallet, which is wicked fucking awesome. Because I mean, I enjoy irony, so this is a good thing. All right, so I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone watching, and yeah, over and out.